Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vivek Jain, faculty educator for the subject Preventive and Social Medicine, that is Community Medicine. Friends, in the upcoming course program, Original Rapid Revision course by Cerebellum Academy, I am going to take up this all important subject for your upcoming examination. How I am going to cover this whole subject for you in a single day so as to help you achieve not just higher marks in the exam but enter the examination hall with a lot of confidence. For that purpose, I have identified 5 key areas. Number 1, I will be covering the entire important key concepts from the topics of epidemiology, health and disease, biostatistics, both easy and slightly difficult topics, as well as screening of disease. Number 2, I will be looking at value and fact based topics also from the chapters of nutrition, including the latest nutrition guidelines, preventive obstetrics, gynecology, pediatrics, and geriatrics topic, in which focus will be on National Health Mission and how it is implemented in the healthcare system of our country. I will also be looking at demography with a focus on Census of India as well as the National Family Health Survey fifth latest round findings which has been released, and the topic of environment with a focus on not just water, air, radiation, but also on medical entomology, from which a lot of questions come with the integration of these subjects microbiology, pathology, pharma, medicine with my subject of community medicine. Number 3, I will be looking at the topics of last 3 years previous year questions, not just INICT exam but NEET PG as well as national board examinations conducted FMG exam also. This will help you ensure to keep yourself updated with the latest pattern and the topics of questions which are being asked in the examinations. Number 4, I will be focusing on the latest developments in the communicable disease section, non-communicable disease sections, national health programs, policies and legislations in the country over the period of last 3 years. Focus will be on National TB Elimination Program, National Health Mission, and the healthcare system of our country, how sub-centers, primary health centers, as well as the grassroots level workers, what are the changes taking place right at the grassroots level in our country. And number 5, image based questions, which usually come from the statistical diagrams of biostatistics, important vectors of diseases in the country, national health programs, logos, nutrition, the various food items along with their nutritional values, and vaccines and cold chain. Also, friends, finally, I will share a lot of tricks and tips on how to utilize the last 90 days before the exam very smartly. So, friends, are you ready for the original rapid revision course of Cerebellum Academy? Go for it. From my side, I wish you all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care. Bye bye.